Hi, hello from beautiful Berlin. We are here on Victor and Luisa Platz, and we have just participated in a debate from the Florence School of Regulation on the future of renewable energy support policies in Europe. And actually the question was if they should be active or if there should be any policies, support policies between 2020 and 2030. And as you know, now we have a big debate coming up in Brussels about the winter package, which is which was suggested by the European Commission, but is now being negotiated on different levels of the European Union institutions. And in the next few months, we will actually know how the energy regulation in Europe will look like from 2020 onwards. One key point that I take from this is that actually the winter package and all of the proposals that we have now are being made for more developed European Union countries. So for Germany, for UK, France and so on. There is a big difference between those countries and the countries that are on the periphery of the European Union, like for instance Croatia and also the Western Balkans in general. And maybe in some other Southeast European countries. So first of all, in Germany you have liberalized markets, which means electricity is traded on wholesale markets, and we have a whole different setup in those countries than we have in the Western Balkans and Croatia, for instance. There we don't have liberalized markets. We also have to consider that in the Western Balkans markets and Croatia, renewable energy has not been developed as much as in Germany, for instance. So in Germany, supply chains are efficient, everybody knows what they're doing, banks are giving out money, renewable projects receive small loans. In the Western Balkans, we have a high cost of financing, banks are skeptical towards such projects. We have a few projects that have been developed even under feed-in tariffs. And so all the new rules that are being made by the European Commission, they are actually not being made for non-liberalized markets and markets that have not grown up, that have not actually developed so much through feed-in tariff systems. So actually one point that I would like to stress here is that we should think about, when we design future electricity markets and future support schemes and so on, of the fact that we have different gears of renewable energy development in different parts of Europe. So if Germany and Denmark and UK are in 5th gear, then the Western Balkan region and Croatia and so on is maybe in 2nd gear. So what we need to do is simply, in my opinion, not throw new policies, new liberalized policies on these countries, but instead let them actually live through their feed-in tariff premium happily, feed-in tariff era happily, and let them actually first develop using the feed-in tariffs and then implement feed-in premiums and auctioning schemes and everything else a little bit later on. So that's my personal opinion on this issue. And this could be debated because obviously auctioning feed-in premiums have shown to be more cost efficient, but still let's think about first greasing the wheels in the system, and for which feed-in tariffs are good, and then let's think about introducing more liberalized schemes like feed-in premiums and auctioning. That's it. Bye bye.